Ayan, so good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to my ITPE 122 class. So, ayan na po si Jamaica. Good morning, Jamaica. Hazel, and Lenny Boy, Renzo, good morning. Ayan, so nasana yung iba. Well, I hope you are doing good, no? Lahat kayo, despite that we have our fiesta yesterday. So, sino ba dito sa inyo naghanda? Sana may invite man lang. Ayan. So, lahat ba nakapunta ng perya? Ha? At naka-ride nung anong tawag ng ride na yun? Yung ikot. You're just standing there and ayun, magtuyok-tuyok siya. Ayan na si Mary Chris Di Mayo, LeBron James Lee. So, where are the others ba? Okay, 2 minutes, we will start na. So, baka iba na napasobra sa sa pag-celebrate sa fiesta yesterday, no? Kaya di na nakagising. And of course, others are just doing their assignment as well because nga, marami ding assignments. Unlike sa akin, na hindi ako nagbigay ng assignment. For now, okay? Yan. So, 1 minute left and we will start. Okay, dyan si Mamparo and si Via. Ba yan si Via, hindi pa rin pinalitan yung picture. Diyan na din si Eileen. So, good thing, bumalik na internet connection namin dito rin, no? Kasi nawala kasi yung internet connection. We have Christian Villanueva. Okay, so I guess we could not wait for the others and let's them catch our um, the topic that we'll be discussing. Okay? And socioeconomic mind process pa sila. So let's just wait a minute. I guess we could not wait for the others now. So, okay, so our topic this morning, in continuation of the topic last week. So, let's move on to the internet and the web protocols. Okay, our objectives for this morning is to define what is internet or how to pronounce it on the internet. So to point out components of internet usage and its capabilities and to identify the different web protocols. So the internet, so every one of us, of course, be really too familiar what is internet. So ano ba 'tong internet, no? Rosel, or any one of you can give just a simple ano lang, just a simple definition for what is an internet. Anyone who can give? Okay, so yes, of course, the internet is so powerful this time, even and very useful, no? Especially when we have our this pandemic, no? Instead of having this face-to-face class, we do this one via online. Okay. But before that, am I audible ba? Kindly send one if klaro na ba ako to you. Goods lang. Okay, so okay, thank you for that response. So again, so the internet, ayun, thank you for that answer, Jamaica. No? Internet is a worldwide system of computer networks. So correct. So the internet, or short for interconnected networks, is a global system of interconnected computer networks and devices that use standardized communication protocols to link and transmit data across a wide range of devices, despite of the geographical locations and different platforms. It is a vast and decentralized network that has become a fundamental part of modern life. No? Kaya nga, with the use of the internet, before, we use this, ano no, yung magsulat pa, no? Like mag-send ka email, and not email, but mail rather, no? We are going to go to the post office, then you send a mail to your loved ones, no, to your family, from local to national, even to the international. And what happened is that it will took, ano na, no, took days, months, and worse is years, and not years pa din, but year, if you, ano no, like, you're sending a message uh, across the country. That was before. But now, with the use of the internet, not just messages ang imong mahatag, no? You can also, like, we have this video call, no? We can call our loved ones over the phone or the devices that we are using, or the platform, or any platform that is capable in doing these video calls. So it is now, well, an easy access for us to use, and it is more ano pa siya, no, a great impact as well, because if before we only send messages, but now we can really talk to them, no? If sa una makilig-kilig man gani pag ingon nag-I love you sa letter, unsa na karon na wala pa nakita, pero nakita na yun mo siya mismo because of this video call with the help of the internet, di ba? Okay. Yan. So thank you for your response. Oh, di ba pala ako? Okay, so again, in the internet, or short for interconnected networks. So, interconnected, so a global system, so mga computer networks nag-connect not just here sa atong area, but around the world jud siya, no? So, let's talk about how are we going to describe pala the internet. So, we have here the detailed discussion about internet. I have here at least nine, so that we could discuss about how this internet use, how internet so important nowadays, no? So with these nine uh, a bit description or a bit usage, so we could identify. So what does this internet do? Okay. So first, so internet is a network of networks. So the internet is not a single physical entity, but rather a network of networks. It consists of countless interconnected local, regional, and global networks. So ang internet is not just here sa atin, no, connected, but it is connected around the world, no. So of course, um, with this network, no, ay with this internet, we could communicate na dyan sa isa't isa. Even kung ano, even how far you are, or despite of the geographical location that we are, we could communicate. Okay? So making sure din lang talaga is that we have this, what we call it one, internet connection, or the area that we are living is really have a good band or strong internet connection. No? So like this, for example, if we are going to the remote area, no, we try to find signal. However, despite of the so there are still some gadgets or devices that can be used to the remote areas. So we have these yung bitang telephone na direct connect sa how I call it one, telephone or cell phone direct connect to the satellite. So yun, connect to satellite. So we have that device though. Okay. So again, network of networks. Next, and so these networks can be public or private, and they may use various technologies like wired. Example, we have fiber optic cables, and wireless. Example, Wi-Fi and cellular connections. So this type of networks can be as wired, which means like karon, di ba, mas pas pud jud kung ang imong connection is naka fiber optic, no? I mean, this optic is a wired connected siya over the main source of the internet. However, yung makita din ninyo na we have this, yung kasagaran dito sa remote areas that yung hulog piso, no? This P2P or point to point, pas man pud siya. Pero of course, napoy tendency because na mawala ang signal because of the many hindrances, no, like ang weather lumagod, like magtukod ta og poste, no, kay ang ato man diha is we have the receiver tayo no ng signal, we have our main source kung saan ba yan siya. Then if ever din yung yung area mo is na siya sa bukid, naka sa likod sa bukid, so possible di po siya malabayan unless if this um uh, ano tawag ito? Unless if kaning atong provider magtukod po siya cell site or site, no, para masendan po ta og signal. Okay? So second is protocols and standard. So the internet relies on a set of standardized communication protocols and technologies to ensure that devices can understand and exchange with one another. Yun. So going back, so protocols and standards. So these protocols will really help to ensure that uh, these devices that we are using would really understand. So sometimes we can as well, like somehow na mismatch man po gud na siya, no? Like for example, a certain technology or devices, no? Na of course ang nagamit kang cellphone. So though maka-receive man siya, no? Like for example, nag-send ka og picture, tas ikaw ang sender. However, ang imong receiver, it's not capable na maka-view og image because he has this like not upgraded pa na phone ba, no? So somehow ma-misunderstood jud pod ang communications, no? So dapat din, and we have this called din na protocols para to follow the standard of sending this message. Okay? Then third is we have this global reach. So the internet is truly global, connecting users, organizations, and devices worldwide. It transcends the geographical boundaries, enable communication and data exchange between people and systems regardless of their physical location. So this time around, yung mga remote area na talaga, ano na no, they could already connect. So we have this, an example na lang, is itong Starlink ni, sino nga yung yung may-ari ng Starlink, anyone? Sino may-ari ng Starlink? Si, ha? Sige daw, sino makasagot? He is one of the billionaire and now the owner of the Twitter. So with the because Starlink is not a it's not a fiber, but it has this satellite over the world, no? Ayun, tama si Rene Boy, mga liwan. We have si Elon Musk, no? So ngayon si Starlink, so as of now, if not mistaken, there are almost 3,000 ata yung satellite talaga nag-move, no, around the world. Then, ang gamit ni Starlink, of course, yung we call the plato, no? But, yung plato, yung sa TV na, Trinity cable is circle, ito yung parang square, no? But however, there is also a standard pa din. Like, if you will avail this Starlink and you wanted to set up it in your home, so dapat wala siyang barricade. Kumbaga, kasi andun ka sa remote area, however, andun ka sa forest. So, dapat yun, ilagay mo yung plato nimo na dili siya mo barricade ng punong kahoy because it will not get the signal mong good, no? Then, here sa Philippines, Starlink is available and yung source talaga ng niya, yung parang main source ng provider ng kanyang internet talaga din is andun sa Australia, no? Yun yung nalaman ko eh. And maganda na naman din si Starlink kasi you can bring that no, bring that plato or satellite wherever you are, as long as of course it's really needed pa din ng um, power, no? At least you will bring this solar light, then you can turn on this device, then i-direct lang nimo siya sa sky na walang mag-barricade. So ayun, makakonect na ka. And again, this is a worldwide, no, ang internet or the internet. Okay, next. So the communication and data transfer. So the primary of the internet is to facilitate communication and data transfer. This is one of the most important part or the function of this internet. So users can send and receive data in various forms, including text, images, audio, video, and more. Okay, so if you have this fast connection or how we call it plus or how fast is your internet, of course, mas ano din siya, reliable na imong sending and receiving of data. However, if you have this slow connection like we are experiencing this time is the I'm not so sure what happens sa ating PLDT now. No? We at sa school kasi we're using PLDT din now. However, I'm using in my apartment, I'm using this globe. Wala naman siyang problema. So maybe there are um, instances baka may landslide or kasi fiber optic na din yung PLDT. So there's no problem naman talaga if there's a bagyo or strong wind. Maybe possible yung landslide talaga. So andun yung connection, yung fiber optic. So, pag landslide naputo kaya there's instances yun na mawala and muhi na ang connection, no? Because there is also an alternate route talaga kung saan makuha yung source natin ng connection. Okay? Now, internet in services and applications. So the internet hosts a wide array of services and applications, including websites, email, social media platforms, online shopping, video streaming, gaming, cloud computing, and more. As of this moment, I think 80% na talaga services are using internet. Without this internet, I think most of the transaction of this of the business in these planets are not functional because kung wala sila net, of course, they are really dependable no sa internet. Like for example na we have this social media, di ba? Like we use the social media every day, no, to get updates, isa ba? To get updates, news, to contact our loved ones, to send messages, to inquire, and we even have this online shopping, no? How often ba mo nag-online shopping? Sige daw, sino man dito nang tinatamad na hindi na magpunta sa mall? Wala naman tayo talagang mall, no? Kasi if you try to visit din naman ang mall, no? You, yung talagang mall, like pupunta ka pa sa Davao, so why are you still try to go there if you can do it naman over the online shop, no? Same price and makalas pa ka of less hassle, no? Hindi na ka mapagod, ang traffic, ang init, unless na talaga if you really wanted, if you are a type of person that really wanted also na when you try to buy these things, no, talagang gusto mo siya makita, no? And of course, by this ano din, marami na din mga scammers. Yun ang talaga mga disadvantage, no? Um, so users access the services through web browsers, mobile apps, and other client applications. So yun yung pinakamadali. So kung tayo, we need to go to physical store pa, no? So ma-meet na to ang traffic, ang kainit sa weather. But with the use of the internet, we can use now just using our laptop, our offer ng mga services, we can access it easily without any hassle. But let, let's make it sure lang din na we are safe. I mean, like, of course, uso ngayon ang scammer, no? So let's try to scrutinize first before talaga tayo mag-order, no? And ito na papasok na si data privacy din, no? Careful talaga tayo. Okay, moving on. So ito, uh, internet is used for the information repository. So the internet serves as a vast repository of information and knowledge. Users can access websites, online database, libraries, and educational resources on virtually any topic. So repository. So kung sa una we are still using these books, no? This time because of this vast growing of this internet as especially repository, so you don't need not to buy this book or like going to the library because it is already on the internet. Mag-browse lang ka saglit, you just search a key or topic na gusto mo malaman, then just get your laptop, go to the search engine and you type. Ganun lang, di ba? Mas easier siya. And this time then we have this online database, and if you would look for a certain product or ano ba yan, sa research team mo, so naman po tayo mga online journals, no? And instead of buying that physical object, like for example book, so we have this what we call na the PDF, PDF or e-copy, which is more less in price, no? Mas cheaper, and of course, ma-download na po na to, no? And if you have your tab video, so pwede na nato siya i-browse sa tab instead na magbili ka daghan kay libro. So with that internet, just a single device will do, no? And connectivity and Internet of Things. So connectivity and so the internet extends beyond traditional computers and mobile devices. It connects a growing number of smart devices, including appliances, wearables, vehicles, and sensors, collectively known as Internet of Things or the IoT. So this time in the modern world, kaning IoT na, like if you are, hindi naman sabihin na you need to be mapungkol ka ba? No. But of course, with the use of this internet, like if you are trying to turn off your lights, you don't need not to ano, magbakod, no? You can have this clock lights, then can turn off na ang light, no? Even ang pag-on sa TV, pwede na. On sa electric fan, everything. As long as if you have your internet at home, then you can do easily your task. I mean, hindi task pala. Yung mga simple na bagay, ay karaniwang bagay na we are doing sa bahay, no? So with this IoT, so, and the sensors, so mas mapadali jud ang trabaho. But for somehow, if by using this one, wala na po na exercise in body. As a result, matapol ka, and like example sa ako, wala ako po ano dito sa ano, apartment. Ayun nga, there's also still a negative effect on using this Internet of Things. So maganda lang to basta kung gamitin mo to sa bahay na patay. Sabot matapulan ka. But this could be like maganda din siya gamitin, no, sa business. And like for example, I think si Japan yata yung may robot services na, no? So instead na magpunta pa yung waiter, of course, we have this robot na din. Sige, moving on. So, the evolution and advancements. So the internet is a dynamic and constantly evolving. So it has gone through several phases from its early days as a research project or the ARPANET to the modern, high-speed and multimedia-rich internet we use today. Sa una is this internet is only used for research, no, or intel, no, for decoding those message sa wire. So this time, internet really evolves every day. So here comes now the modern. Now we have this IoT. So mas ni-evolve yung maayo ang mechanism sa life movement sa mga tao because of this advancement of the internet. So advancements such as a high-speed broadband, 5G wireless technology, and emerging technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence continue to shape the internet's capabilities and potentials. When we say artificial intelligence, you know now that the most newly invented AI. Before we intend to do our daily tasks, no, by ourselves using these advanced these gadgets pa din, no. However, since the internet really evolved and the advancement is growing, and we cannot predict when will this end, no, because I think this will not end, but it will continue in developing. So this time, ito na yung ang dami ng nanlabas na mga AI, no? In terms of answering your assignments, creating a code, editing a pictures. So lahat na lang may AI, no? AI that or somehow will do the job easy. And I just recall this, even ang robotics ngayon, like talagang naggawa sila ng robot, yung parang may human ano talaga, and they installed AI, no? After installing AI, now this robot can communicate with the real people like us, and for some reason, ano din, from my interview dun na, when you defeat humanity, no? Parang sarcastic na pagkatubag sa robot ba na, of course, they will not, no, ma-relate mo po natin na ito, na isa rin na makatong robots, no, na after may AI ang robots, tapos, ayun, kasi nga may AI na, so nasakop na nila ang ano, world. So, wala ng humanity, ginapatay na nila, kumbaga ganun. Okay? Next is we have the socio-economic impact. So the internet had a profound socio-economic impact affecting commerce, education, healthcare, communication, entertainment, and more. It has transformed business models, enabled remote work, and learning, facilitated global trade, and connected people in ways of previously imaginable. So, ayun, the impact of this using the internet talaga has made the ano talaga, affecting everything. Like when it comes to business, of course, others were so lucky because their business gained more profit. No? However, others did not because of these scammers. And when it comes to education, we are so lucky because we have this modern. However, nga din like this, the AI instead of you yourself who will make the essay writing. However, because we have this chat GPT, so the AI the one making your assignment. And when it comes to healthcare, of course, we have this advancement using of these um, devices. So, mas mapadali ang ilang operation. And of course, the communication. So, this is very, medyo no, common sa communication. And the entertainment. So, mas, na siya, when it comes to these games online, so daghan siya na, no? Kaysa una, dula lang. But today, aside sa makadula, maka-profit po ka. Diba? Then, even this time, mas before work is talaga by physical, at this time you can do now this remote work, online work, no? Like mga virtual assistants. So instead of going to leaving their family, they can do their work now at home. And again, so this internet connected people in ways previously unimaginable. So again, we could not say that this will stop here, no? Kaya technology nga is evolving and evolving. So in summary, the internet is a global network of interconnected networks that enables communication, data exchange, and access to a vast array of services and information. It has become an essential and transformative tool in our interconnected world, shaping the way we live, work, and interact. So what are these usage and capabilities of the internet? So we've been using this internet for a long time now, no? And of course, this internet will really evolve na dyan. So the internet is a global network of interconnected computers and devices that has become an integral part of modern life. Its usage and capabilities have transformed the way we communicate, access information, conduct business, and interact with the world. So we at I have here at least nine. How many is this one? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the use of the uh, internet. So I have here 10. Here's a discussion of the internet's usage and its wide-reaching capabilities. So we have this information access and sharing. So how we use the internet over in communication, in e-commerce, entertainment, education, and e-learning. So research and collaboration, work and productivity. So information security and privacy. Again, the IoT and innovation and future technologies. For now, let's end our topic in here. Then we will continue again for our next meeting. Okay? So I just give you this ano lang. So next meeting we will discuss these 10 uh, usage and capabilities of the internet. Okay? So again, thank you for watching this live video. So I hope you already knew what is the use of the internet and how powerful is the internet. Okay? So thank you for coming. So your attendance will be sent over the Discord. Okay? Bye everyone.